Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox walking animation. First, launch Roblox Studio and open your game or a new place. Next, insert a character model, often found under the Rig Builder plugin, choosing an R6 or R15 rig. Access the Animation Editor plugin from the Plugins tab. Select your character rig to initialize the editor. This setup is crucial for beginning your custom walk cycle creation, providing the canvas for all subsequent steps. Ensure your rig is correctly loaded before proceeding. Keyframes are fundamental to any animation, marking a character's pose at a specific moment in time. When you create two keyframes, the editor automatically generates the movement in between, a process known as interpolation. Understanding this principle is vital for crafting smooth, natural walks. Think about the extreme poses, like when a foot first contacts the ground or when it is highest during its swing. Placing these precisely will define the rhythm and flow of your character's movement, making it feel organic and believable. To begin your walk cycle, create a contact pose where one foot is firmly on the ground and the opposite arm is forward. Approximately 6 frames later, establish a passing pose where the swinging leg passes the planted leg and the body's center of gravity dips slightly. Continue by mirroring these poses for the other side, ensuring a smooth transition between them. Remember to subtly adjust the torso, head, and secondary limbs throughout the cycle to convey weight and momentum, aiming for a realistic motion over about 24 total frames. After creating your initial walk cycle, play it back repeatedly to identify any stiffness or unnatural movements. Use the Animation Editor's graph editor to refine the easing curves, ensuring a fluid transition between poses rather than abrupt changes. Pay close attention to the character's weight shift and balance throughout the loop. The most crucial step for a seamless animation is to ensure your final frame is an exact duplicate of your very first frame. This perfect match guarantees the animation loops without any visible jumps or hitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.